As you guys requested that we should have cameras at our house, so this is one of the cameras that you're going to be installing, and we're going to install it with you, and we're going to have more. Remember, we need to monitor the whole farm. This is very important, guys. No matter you are in the rural or you are in town, you just want to be able to monitor, okay, what is happening. And here's one thing I like about this one. This is called a dual lens smart solar camera that you see I'm holding here. And what's good about it is that I'm able to monitor it from wherever I am, and I can connect it to my Wi-Fi. And also, this has I'm able to call, like it's called a two-way communication, where I'm able to call it on my phone, and I'm able to communicate with someone who is close to it. So if my people are here, are just around here, they're able to hear me talking on the camera, and we are able to communicate. And I can ask them, okay, what is it that you are doing there? What are you, can you take this for me and put it there? Like, we're able to just communicate without the use of a cell phone with this camera alone. And it is like a solar powered. So you don't have to connect it to your power in the house. It connects itself, and you are able to put it like even far away from your house. That is a good thing. And I'm gonna put it right next to the light. This is our floodlight for outside, and this is a very special floodlight. And I'm going to attach these two on the pole. So I want to try to put them right here like this, and we're gonna do this together, guys. So first thing first, I need my tool. What is it called? I'm forgetting the names of my tools. That's a drill. Right. We're gonna take off our light first. That's the first thing. Okay. Okay, come close. Right. So this is our camera. Comes with a solar. As I said, it's solar powered, and this is gonna be for the solar. And inside here is our two cameras that you see right here. This is what we're gonna use, and it's a Wi-Fi one. And I want to connect this here. Okay. Okay, now it's gonna be like this, and then I think I need to untie it a little bit so I can turn it maybe like this, and then we'll put it on the pole. So this is our cable that we are going to be connecting to the camera straight. Right. Then butter. Like this, then iri oro ribaratera vana rakadai so. Okay, so this one is gonna go like this. Manje choro irekere wakachibata. Rona chaba chichi. Ameno tiche chadini. No. Then that's butter. Okay, come. Now it's connected, guys. So this is how it's gonna be like, and the camera is right here. The light will be here, and here is our front light. This is the one that our front camera that did not move. This one can only move upwards and downwards. So I'm gonna face it a little bit downwards. Then this one can turn around, and our solar is on top. And then our floodlights is right here, and tudambo simuza rimbo mira kata something usuita itata tendereza wada scissors. Yes. Rumire. Ngata. Mabo. Where is ni di. Yeah, where to? Where to come? Okay, so I'm also installing this one, guys. This one is 4 cameras. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see the movable one, and then the other one that you can turn to whatever direction where you want to see whatever you want to see. And these are the antennas, yeah, for the internet, for the Wi-Fi. So I'm connecting this one, and we have that one already connected, right? And guys, remember, if you want this at your house, you can always get them. We can always help you get them. We can always help you install it as well, even if you are not there. Okay, now this one has its own solar and it has a light. Remember, guys, this one is a bit more advanced. It's way more advanced, as you can see it. Right, very strong. Wait, let's not eat to make it a bit more strong. This is 1,500 watts light. It's very good. So now we're gonna have to take it to its place. What's it? Right. Now, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test the cameras and see if the direction I want is the one where it is pointed. Test on my phone and see if the camera is properly working. So let me check. So it's loading. Here's how I positioned it. There's a stationary camera that will not move, it's facing this direction, and then another one can move around, as you can see. So I'm gonna put it on full screen. This is how it looks. And the other camera. And then side by side. Then if I want to move this one, I can move it around and see whatever side that I want to see, which is good. And also, guys, this thing is a two-way communication. I'm able to call it hi, hi, so it's responding, so, as you can see. And also I'm able to listen to whatever sound that is around here from wherever I am. So it's playing the sound. See, it's too much wind, so that's why it's coming out like this, right? And also I'm able to turn on the lights. See, now the lights are on. There are the lights. Let me turn it to this side. Right, you can see the lights are on. I can turn off the lights, and I'm able to take a screenshot as well, or to record a video. So that's how it works, guys. I hope you guys have seen and understood how it works, and you might need this at your house. So if you need one, if you need us install it for you, let us know, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. We're done.